And lastly, the top court today examined forensic report on audio clips that allegedly implicate Manipur ex-Chief Minister Biren Singh and called for a fresh forensic science lab report. The case was heard by a bench of Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar in a petition filed by Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust. The group is demanding a court-monitored investigation into leaked audio tapes claiming they feature Singh's voice. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that a forensic report had already been submitted in a sealed cover. He urged the court to let the current investigation continue, saying that peace is prevailing. But the CJI, after briefly reading the sealed report, was not satisfied. He asked the Solicitor General to get instructions from the union government and submit a fresh report. The court then recorded in its order that the SG will obtain instructions on re-examination. The case will now be heard in the week starting 21st July. Let me tell you, Advocate Prashant Bhushan, appearing for the petitioners, raised concern that the current investigation is being handled by the state police, despite it being a case involving the former chief minister himself. But the CJI clarified that the court was not inclined to stay the ongoing investigation. He further remarked that with the president's rule currently in place in Manipur, the concerns about bias or interference in the investigation should now stand resolved. For your information, let me also tell you that earlier this year, Truth Labs, a private forensic agency, had reportedly certified the tapes to be authentic. The court had then sought an official verification from the Central Forensic Science Laboratory. With Singh having resigned days before President's rule was imposed in February, the matter now returns to spotlight with the Supreme Court keeping a close watch.